Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: an admin account, the device IP address, and the exact firmware version. Once collected, make a backup of the current configuration to local storage or cloud so you can restore if needed. Then open the Configurator app and authenticate. You may need multi-factor authentication. After authentication, select the target device in the device list and load the recommended baseline profile. This first set of actions ensures safety and authority before any changes. You now proceed to apply the detailed configuration. Load the baseline profile and then layer role-specific templates to avoid manual drift. Make precise adjustments to network, security, and service parameters. Use explicit values rather than defaults to keep behavior predictable. Once edits are complete, use the Configurator preview and simulated apply features to detect conflicts. If conflicts appear, address them in the template hierarchy and rerun the preview. This disciplined middle phase prevents misconfiguration. You finish by applying changes during a maintenance window and watching logs in real time. Do not rush this step. After apply, verify connectivity, key services, and performance metrics to confirm expected behavior. Make sure to document the final configuration and export a new backup. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup immediately or use the Configurator diff tool to identify the offending change. Then roll back selectively or patch the template. This targeted troubleshooting gets you back to stable operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.